Welcome to Asympcode. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will learn how machine learning can be used for retirement planning. We'll assume the goal is to use a basic linear regression model to predict how much money you need to save for retirement based on various factors, such as current age, target retirement age, current savings, and annual savings. The goal is to predict the target retirement savings goal. Import necessary libraries. For numerical operations. For handling data in data frame format. For splitting the data into training and testing sets. For applying a linear regression model. For evaluating the model performance. Collect and prepare data. Here we are creating a sample data frame to simulate our data. Current savings. Target retirement savings goal. The data dictionary represents the information we will use for training and testing the model. It includes the following variables. Current_age. The current age of the person. Target_retirement_age. The age at which the person plans to retire. Current_savings. How much the person has saved for retirement so far. Annual_savings. How much the person saves every year. Retirement_goal. The target savings amount they aim to have by retirement. Convert the dictionary into a Pandas data frame. Define features X and target Y. X represents the features. Independent variables. Which are the input data we use to predict the target value? Y represents the target. Dependent variable. Which is the value we are trying to predict? Split the data into training and testing sets. We are using 80% of the data for training and 20% for testing. Random_state equals 42 ensures reproducibility, meaning the split will be the same every time you run the code. Initialize the model. We are using linear regression as a simple model for prediction. Train the model. Make predictions. Use the trained model to make predictions on the test set. Evaluate the model. We calculate the mean squared error, MSE, to measure how well the model is performing. Display coefficients. We can see the weights assigned to each feature in the model, which shows how each factor influences the retirement goal. Making a prediction for a new user. Example: predict retirement goal for someone with the following parameters. Current_age equals 40, target_retirement_age equals 65, current_savings equals 100,000, annual_savings equals 15,000. Predict the retirement goal for this user. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.